Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Blackview BV6600E smartphone, and let me show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, let's open up the keyboard. Here on top of the characters and numbers, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it. In order for the clipboard to be activated, all we gotta do is to turn on the switch, and as you can see, we have successfully enabled the clipboard. Next, if you want to remove any of the elements, tap on this pencil, choose what elements you want to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. In order for you to add anything to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to type in some word, for example car, then I'll just go ahead and select it and copy. So if I'll get back to the clipboard now, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added, and from now on you can paste it just by tapping on it at the clipboard itself, or by tapping on any other element you would like to use. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!